Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy chili for a minute. When most people think of chili, they think of hamburger meat with beans and chili seasoning. And that's well and good, but this recipe takes chili to the next level of warm, spicy goodness. All you have to do is place a pork loin in a slow cooker, then cover it with a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Add in some barbecue sauce and water. Cook on low heat for 4 to 6 hours. Then you're going to cut up the pork loin and place it in a Dutch oven along with the juices from the slow cooker. Add in some tomato sauce, some chili beans, some barbecue sauce, chili seasoning, onion powder, barbecue seasoning, and some garlic powder. You're going to cook it over medium heat for 20 minutes while stirring occasionally. Serve this with some sour cream, shredded cheese, and corn chips. Now that's what I call a savvy bowl of happy. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.